Best 5 RC Truck and Car. Are you looking for the? In this video we will look at 5 of the best RC truck and car on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ARRMA 1:8 Croton 6SEXB ready to run, clipless body, basher monster truck RC remote controlled, powerful and stable with brushless motor, battery and charger not included. Black, ARRMA 8708 V6T1 new clipless body. The clipless body makes it easy to change batteries quickly in maintenance. By pressing a button on the bonnet and on the loading area, the mechanism is actuated. Red anodized aluminum extreme bash bulkheads front and back. Red anodized extreme bash front and rear braces made of aluminum, anodized extreme bash 7075 T6 aluminium shock tower front and rear. The oil-filled shock absorbers of the ARRMA Croton 6S BLX offer excellent unevenness absorption and are mounted on robust aluminium shock absorber bridges. The D-Boots Copperhead 2 tires provide first-class traction in any terrain and an aggressive look. The Spectrum brushless drive system with 2050 kV motor and 150 Smart V2 controller offers more power and a better driving experience. Spectrum 2.4 GHz SLT3 transmitter and SR315 dual protocol receiver provide additional driving stability with the AVC system. 1. Croton 6SEXB 4x4 scale speed monster truck RTR. 1. Spectrum Company 150 Smart V2 brushless 6SESC with updated B5.12 firmware and IC5 connections. 1. Spectrum Company 4074 2050 kV brushless motor. 1. Spectrum 2.4 GHz 4 3 remote control. 1. Spectrum SR315 3-channel dual protocol receiver. 1. Waterproof 20 kg Spectrum S665 digital servo with metal gear. 1. 25T aluminum servo horn. 4. AA transmitter batteries. Number 2. Axial RC Truck 124th SCX24 Ford Bronco Heritage Edition 4x4 RTR brushed rock crawler, battery and charger included. Red, AXA 00006 V2T6 officially licensed Ford Bronco hardbody. Realistic and durable steel C-channel frame rails. Oil-filled shocks. Spectrum SLT2 2.4 GHz radio system. Spectrum 350 mAh LiPo battery and USB charger. Product overview. Brand and model, Axial SCX24 Ford Bronco Heritage Edition. Scale, 1/24. Color, red. Model number, AXI 00006 V2T6. Drive system, 4x4, 4-wheel drive. Edition, ready to run, RTR, includes everything you need. Technical specifications. Chassis, stamped steel C-channel frame. Suspension. Front, 3-link. Rear, 4-link. Shocks, oil-filled coilover shocks, improves crawling performance. Axles, solid axles with worm gear drive for high clearance. Drivetrain, full metal drivetrain, durable for rocky surfaces. Electronics. Motor, Dynamite 88-turn brushed motor. ESC/receiver, Spectrum 2-in-1 combo, electronic speed controller plus receiver. Transmitter, Spectrum SLT2 2.4 GHz radio system, includes 4 AA batteries. Servo, Spectrum SX107 micro steering servo, water resistant. Battery, 2A 7.4V 350 mAh LiPo battery included. Charger, USB LiPo charger included. Tires and wheels. Number 3. Redcat Racing EPX drift car with 7.2V 2000 mAh battery, 2.4 GHz radio, and BL10315 body, 1/10 scale, metallic blue 1/10 scale drift car, scale drift tires, 5-star rims, independent suspension, lightweight plastic chassis with aluminum top plate, oil-filled shocks, bearings throughout. Tunable suspension, adjustable ride height, adjustable toe angle, adjustable camber angle, tunable shocks, selectable shock positions. Realistic drift car body, hard drift tires, shaft-driven 4-wheel drive. 19T RC550 brushed electric motor, 40A waterproof ESC, powerful steering servo, 2.4 GHz radio. Assembled and ready to run, includes 7.2V 2000 mAh NIM rechargeable battery with NAMH battery charger, requires AA batteries for transmitter. Drive system, for WD, shaft-driven, full-time all-wheel drive. Odor, 19T RC550 brushed electric motor. ESC, 40A waterproof electronic speed controller. Battery, 7.2 V 2000 mAh and AMH battery included. Radio system, 2.4 GHz transmitter and receiver. Chassis, plastic tub-style chassis with an aluminum upper deck. Suspension, fully independent with oil-filled shocks, adjustable ride height, tow, and camber. Wheels/tires, hard compound drift tires, pre-mounted, on spoke wheels. Body, pre-painted polycarbonate BL10315 style body shell, metallic blue. What's included? Fully assembled Lightning EPX drift car. 2.4 GHz radio transmitter. 7.2 V 2000 mAh and AMH battery. Wall charger. Instruction manual. Key features. Ready to run, RTR, no building required. Smooth on-road drifting performance. Waterproof electronics for flexible driving conditions. Body clips, wing, and decal details for realism. Easy to maintain and repair. Pros and cons. Number 4. ARRMA RC Truck Crotman 4x4 8S BLX 1/5 Speed Monster Truck Black, RTR, transmitter and receiver included, batteries and charger not included, ARRA 5808 V2 T1 the ultimate ARRMA 1/5 scale ready-to-run speed monster truck loaded with laser-etched Extreme Bash 7075 T6 aluminum parts engineered to bash with improved strength, handling, durability, and control. Powerful 8S LiPo-capable Spectrum brushless power system. Spectrum DX33 channel 2.4 GHz DSMR radio system. Batteries and charger not included. Key features. 1/5 scale monster size, over 29 inches long. Extremely durable design with heavy-duty components. 8S LiPo compatibility for extreme bashing performance. Spectrum smart technology for telemetry and battery data. Modular chassis design for easy servicing. Adjustable wheelie bar, tough roll cage support. Pros and cons. Pros. Insane power and speed potential. Durable build, handles jumps, flips, off-road abuse. Smooth and precise radio control with ADC, optional assist. Giant tires and clearance for rough terrain. Ready to bash out of the box. Cons. Requires high-cost batteries plus charger, sold separately. Large and heavy, needs space and care for transport. Not ideal for beginners, too powerful for small spaces. 8S LiPos can be expensive and require safe handling. Optional upgrades. Number 5. Losi 1/18 Mini LMA Sun Uva Digger 2S 4x4 RTR brushed monster truck battery and charger included. Blue Los 01026T2 fully ready to run. Officially licensed bodies. Solid axle 4-wheel drive. Functional LED headlights. Realistic BKT tires. Technical specs. Motor, Dynamite 88T 380 size brushed motor. ESC/receiver combo, Spectrum 2 and 125A brushed ESC/receiver. Battery, 7.4 V2S 800 mAh LiPo with EC2 connector, included. Charger, USB-C LiPo smart charger, included. Transmitter, Spectrum SLT2 2.4 GHz radio. Servo, Spectrum SX108 micro servo. Shocks, oil-filled, aluminum-bodied, long-travel shocks. Chassis, scaled-down tube frame, based on 1/10 LMT chassis. Differentials, sealed front and rear gear differentials. Length, 12.25 in, 311 mm. Weight, 2 lbs, 0.9 kg. What's included? Fully assembled Mini LMT Sun Uva Digger. Spectrum SLT2 2.4 GHz transmitter. 7.4 V2S 800 mAh LiPo battery. Smart USB-C LiPo charger. AA batteries for transmitter. Instruction manual and accessories.